Hey guys, today we're going to be diving into the intricate yet fascinating process that we use here on the channel to cut the A-roll for all of the talking head videos that you see here on the channel. We're going to cover everything from syncing audio all the way to ensuring how your final edit sounds natural and engaging. So buckle up and let's jump in. So guys, A-roll in video production, particularly for talking head footage, refers to the primary video that features the main speaker. This footage captures the key narrative or message, focusing directly on the subject as they speak to the camera. A-roll is essential for driving the main storyline or discussion in a video. And real quick too, we got to shout out Envato Elements for coming in this month to sponsor this video. I used a lot of their packs in this video. They have millions of premium video assets, and each time I use an Envato Elements pack in this video, I'll put a little green symbol somewhere on the screen. So guys, what I need you to do is I need you to actually look closely and tell me the correct number of green symbols that you see in this video and leave the answer in the comments section. All of the packs used in this video are available for download via the links in the description via our special $9 deal for Envato Elements that you can only get through us. That's a 70% discount. So let's get back to talking about A-roll. Step one, guys, is syncing your audio. So let's imagine this. You're in your timeline and you see that you have two types of audio. You have your crappy in-camera audio. Hey guys, today we're going to be diving into the intricate yet fascinating, and then your gorgeous external microphone audio. Hey guys, today we're going to be diving into the intricate yet fast, like this one right here. You need to begin by ensuring that your external microphone audio is perfectly synced with your camera audio. To do this, drag your mic audio track so it sits directly beneath your camera audio track on your editing timeline. Select both tracks, right-click, and then choose Synchronize. Make sure that the audio option is checked before clicking OK. This will align your audio tracks using the waveform data, ensuring that your video sound is crisp and perfectly matched to the visual. Step 2, choosing the right audio to move. So guys, here's a crazy practical and necessary trick. Let's just say that you're syncing a bunch of those in-camera audio files, those are the files attached to your camera footage, with your external mic audio. You, however, don't want your camera footage / in-camera audio to move for the sync. You only want your external mic audio to move for the sync. To ensure this, arrange the external mic audio track to sit behind the in-camera audio in the timeline. The rule always is, at least for Premiere Pro, that the file that comes first is the file that moves for the sync. This knowledge is actually crucial for maintaining the integrity of your visual edit, basically making sure that your already placed and edited footage in your timeline isn't moved when you're attempting to sync your external audio with it. Step 3, identifying and cutting out best takes. Once your audio is synced, your next task is to isolate all of the effective takes. This involves removing pauses, filler words, and any mistakes. Now guys, pay close attention to the audio waveforms in your editing software. These visual representations can actually help you pinpoint where you've paused or misspoken, making it easier to identify and remove those unwanted segments. You'll soon begin to see that when someone stops talking abruptly, you'll actually see the waveform cut off abruptly as well. And typically the best take is the last take before a significant pause. This is because it's often the most polished as you've had multiple attempts prior, to ensuring that your final edit sounds natural and engaging. Guys, scrutinize the waveforms and listen to those sections carefully. What's also funny is that every attempt at a take will look almost identical at the beginning and will cut off abruptly at the end until you get one good take. And what's interesting and obvious if you think about it is that the one good takes waveform at the very end is going to look different than all of the other previous takes because it's the actual take that actually was perfect all the way through, which makes a great way to identify it. Step 5 is actually assembling the footage. With your selected clips, begin assembling your footage into a coherent sequence. It's crucial not to just splice clips together, but to consider the narrative flow. Arrange your clips in a way that tells a story, ensuring that each segment smoothly transitions into the next without abrupt breaks or jumps. Let's go in a little bit more into detail in step 6 regarding how we can actually accomplish that by making sure that we add natural pauses. It's really important to avoid the common mistake of eliminating all pauses when you're cutting up A-roll, synced with your camera audio. To do this, while concise editing is key, natural pauses are essential for a relatable and human delivery. Is perfectly synced with your camera audio. To do this, drag your mic audio track. It's important to mimic natural speech by incorporating slight pauses at natural junctures, like between sentences or after a significant point. This approach helps maintain viewer engagement and prevents the dialogue from sounding rushed or robotic. Step 7 is reviewing for naturalness. This is very important and often overlooked. Play back your edits and listen for smooth transitions and a natural tone. It's perfectly synced with your camera audio. To do this, drag your mic audio track perfectly synced with your camera audio. To do this, drag your mic audio track so it is perfectly synced with your camera audio. To do this, drag your mic audio. You gotta really aim for that final product, guys, where the edits are seamless and the narrative flows naturally as if no cuts were made. But here's the thing, guys, none of this even matters if you use sloppy transitions. That's why you should watch this video that I made on how to make invisible cinematic transitions that your audience will love.